Hey everybody, Joey here with Joey's Garage. We are up in the studio because I want to test out a new piece of software that I saw online. It looks awesome. And basically, it allows you to stream your video and audio from one computer, like I'll have it on my main PC, and I can stream it over my second PC without a cord. That's right, it does it all through the Ethernet. No more HDMI cords, no more audio cords, no more microphones going here and there. It can do it all for you. So that's what I'm going to test out today. I already have installed on my first computer, my main one, but I need to get going on my secondary computer. So I'm just going to install this software real quick and see how it works. Now installation is super simple. All you need to do is let it run and do its thing. The best thing, or the one thing you need to look out for, is scan converter. This is going to be what's sending the audio or the video from one computer to another, and you want to make sure you have virtual input, this one, installed also. On the encoding PC, you want to make sure you have run at Windows Start, because that's going to make sure it's running, and I can start up the other PC when I want to start streaming that video over from one to another. It's going to be ready to accept it. And just click Next and Install. It is easy as that. And basically I'm going to just let it run and do its thing, and once they come back I'll be able to start it up and see how it works. And as easy as that, everything has been installed. Very super simple. Now all I need to do is go down to my secondary PC. I'm going to say I want to view the video source from my main PC. Click on it, and now I should be able to use it in OBS. So I'm going to check out my desktop. We will start recording to show you guys. And now I should be able to add a new source. And instead of using a video capture card, same thing, just use a video capture device, and I'm going to name it NDI. Come on over here and select it as one of the streams or the source. Give it a second to boot up. Let's see, is it going to work? Yes! And there's my desktop. That's awesome. So now I should be able to come down here and be able to add the audio. Nope, settings. We're going to go to settings. We can go to audio, and for a mic we can select the NDI, and I should be good. Easy as that. I'm able to send that video from my main PC to my secondary PC with no trouble at all over the Ethernet. So I can test out, and I'm going to get my task manager, blow that up, make it as huge as possible. And there it is. It is sending it all through the Ethernet. Looks about 3 megabits per second is what that video is using. But I can take out this HDMI cord because I don't need it anymore. It's sending it all through the Ethernet, all through the network. That's an amazing product. So hopefully this helps somebody out, and if you're thinking about streaming from one PC to another, whether it's video games, doing tech tryouts, that's what I use it for. Looking at NDI. It's an amazing product, it's free, and it works like it should. So with that, as always, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, ride safe, and keep at least 2 wheels on the road.